There's Jonathan Niese right there, 24 start.
Here's Jesus Guzman, who has introduced himself to New York in this series. And Hairston makes the running grab. That's Al, our cameraman, spreading his arms to say hi. Swing and a miss, and Niese gets the strikeout he needs. Swing and a miss, he struck him out.
Before Tion, and Tion, of course, an outstanding pitcher.
Nice backhand by Tejada, out at second. Turner turns it over, and this time the Mets get the double play.
Well, in two pregnant races, he'd finish last in that. I mean, with 50 times he was hit by a pitch ball in one season.
And the curveball struck him out. At least getting that ball up to Maben. Now he comes back to strike out Forsythe. Second strikeout of the inning, fifth of the night. And the curveball hit sharply. Tejada knocks it down and makes the flip for the force play. 2-2 to Forsythe. And the curveball struck him out. 1-2 from Niese. Maben runs, swing and a miss. Throw down to third. Not in time. The double steal is executed as Blank strikes out for the second out. Niese ties his career high with 122 pitches. He'll leave behind